Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel, or welcome to this channel if you're new here. My name's Maggie. I post vegan lifestyle videos Monday through Friday. That's most Monday through Fridays. Occasionally I'll miss a day here or there, but if you're interested in vegan lifestyle, whether it's adventures, hiking, minimalism, decluttering, organization, vegan recipes, ideas, make sure to hit that red button and subscribe because I would love to have you. And today I'm not bringing to you only one but two delicious vegan recipes. The first recipe is a blueberry muffin. So they're the really mini version, but you could always double up the recipe and make a bigger batch. However, the reason why I try to strive to make smaller batches is because whenever I bake, it goes in an instant. Okay, so I make 12 muffins and they were gone within 5 minutes, because all pastries and anything that you bake fresh is the best to eat it at that time. But I thought we were going to have it for tomorrow when we go hiking and on our little picnic adventure, but that didn't happen because 5 minutes later they're all gone. So they're so delicious. Another recipe is a parfait recipe with a homemade coconut cream kind of thing going on. So you guys will see it. Without further ado, let's get to the video. That is the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipes. If you're interested in making it yourself, check out the description. I'll make sure to leave everything there. And if you don't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Bye guys!